Thank you. You're over there turning it, and I'm trying to put the socket back in, and it's turning my wheel too. Remember how my mom was complaining that when she drove the car last, that it was making a beeping?
Your mom wasn't complaining, she was mentioning.
She mentioned. Right?
She mentioned. We love you, Mom.
Yes, for sure, very much.
So much dust in my mouth!
We haven't even off-roaded this car yet. Welcome back. Don, I have a Beetle.
You do have a Beetle. It looks like a Y2K Beetle to me.
This here is our 2000 Volkswagen Beetle. 1.8 turbo, so it's at least kind of fast. Red.
Red, which makes it faster.
You guys are probably wondering why we have such an unreliable car in the shop today. And it's actually not broken down.
It's not. This one runs.
Yes.
I mean, the instrument cluster is a Christmas tree. Got all the lights in there, but it runs and drives.
So I had this idea that I always thought Baja Beetles were cool back in the day. But what was not cool was the lack of air conditioning.
4-cylinder, air-cooled engines. Don't get me wrong, I had one and I loved it.
Pretty much lacked creature comforts.
It lacked all the features.
I saw this car and I thought, maybe we could Baja it out. Big tires.
Fenders.
Yeah, so the idea is we want it to look like this car right here. Insert clip of Baja Beetle.
Imagery.
And once we do that, this girl is going to go off-road. Better than it is. But the biggest thing we got going for us is that's going to come off. That's going to go off. This is coming off. And same thing in the back. Basically, all fenders removed, bumpers removed, and we're going to put some oversized tires on. Maybe that big. Maybe this big.
Maybe that big.
Maybe that wide.
Yeah.
But join us for this adventure. You ready to boogie?
Let's make it happen.
Are we okay?
Yeah! Okay, wait, one more.
Never leave your hydraulic jack under the car without some sort of safety. Because hydraulics can fail. And that's how people die. Or become paraplegics. Oh, this car has those quick release headlights.
Does it? Oh, man. Volkswagen thinks of everything. I think it was way longer than I thought it was going to be. How deep does it go in there? Oh, it's always great to stick your tongue out and get dirt in your mouth. Probably don't do that.
Okay, alright, it doesn't look that bad.
Oh!
Whoa, what was that?
That's what happens when you don't hold your tools with a man's wrist. Oh! That's sexist. It's shut up.
John, you're almost there. Trust me.
Oh, that actually came out when he started yanking a little harder.
Yes.
All right, cool. It seems like we need to move this.
But that might interfere depending on, well, it
Use your words.
Okay. So, we've got 2 tire sizes to test fit.
Oh, this is the exciting part. I'm sorry, I spit a little bit.
All right, let me get a big one first. We have here a 265 75/16. Mathematically is a 32
and a half
inch tire.
I mean, it's well worn. It's probably 32.
I mean, it's not that much bigger than the old ones, so it should be okay.
Yeah, hold on. Just for a quick size guide. Let me just roll this over here. So what we pulled off of the car.
So what you're saying is this is going to help us go over speed bumps.
We're going to pass a speed bump without even knowing we passed a speed bump.
Now we're talking. So this car runs a, what is it, decide 5x100 lug pattern?
So 5x100, but it's got a 72.3 center bore.
Yep. That's that part right there?
And as you can tell, we mounted up a Subaru steel wheel, which happens to be 5x100, but the center bore is a millimeter smaller. So let's see if it fits first. The problem we're having here is the tire hits the bucket of the strut here. And the bucket is important because it holds the spring there. So Rick came up with a brilliant idea. Why don't we space the tire away from the hub, out that way, so then we can clear that. And this is what he's here to do.
So we actually picked up these wheel spacers off of eBay, and we machined the inside. So originally this was purchased for our TT rally car project, which you guys will see soon in one of the next upcoming videos. So this is for a Volkswagen center bore right here that we machined out. But this guy is Subaru. So I'm hoping that this distance gets us out of that spring perch. Guess let's install it and see what happens, huh?
Oh my God, does it fit? Oh! What Ace Ventura say? Like a glove.
Like a glove. That's gonna be a problem.
There's gonna be a problem on these wheels.
I guess we're... You know what? I've got another adapter.
You have more adapters?
Yeah. So
let's adapt the adapter.
okay. Where's the?
We're on the center.
Okay. And there's clearance?
Barely. Oh, that looks amazing already.
Drew's gonna be so jealous he's not here with us.
Oh, we're not gonna be able to turn.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The gap right behind the wheel is so tight.
Okay, so we might have to make. Let's test with the small ones.
They don't look as cool though.
But yeah, but if we do big ones in the back,
Oh yeah.
that's maybe more authentic. Thank you. You're over there turning it, and I'm trying to put the socket back in, and it's turning my wheel too. I do want to take this down the street.
Oh. And it's street legal.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, it's always fun to drive through a hoity-toity neighborhood in a car that's destined for pick and pull. You get all kinds of fun looks from your neighbors. Oh, cool. All right, so next step is Don and I are going to remove this piece, and that one.
Are these quick release front head or rear headlights, also known as
Tail
lights?
So I noticed that we've got this rust line right here, which is unnatural on a rotor, which means typically that's an aspect where the brake pad isn't touching the rotor. So normally on a street car, this would be something to be concerned about. And you can see this pad is pretty low, so there's definitely rear brakes in this car's future.
So much dust in my mouth!
We haven't even off-roaded this car yet. Don, I got an issue, man.
Ugh, it's a Volkswagen, so do I. What's yours?
I can't get the taillight out. It doesn't pop out like the fronts did.
I know, it's like we need a demolition guy to get these friggin' out of here.
Maybe somebody with some hillbilly ingenuity.
Okay. Well, we are doing big tire stuff.
Big tire generally means Jeep stuff.
And we happen to know a Jeep guy.
We know a guy.
His name is Drew!
Hey!
You are here.
Yeah, I was out for a run and I heard my name echo through the mountaintops and I got my trusty pickle fork and y'all need help?
Ricola.
Tuning fork. Oh,
What are you guys doing?
Baja beetle time.
Oh.
Yeah.
How can I help?
So the front came off super easy, and we're having a difficult time trying to get the rear apart.
Pickle fork?
oh my ears. Okay, we're we're getting pretty close. 18, 19 more times of that noise, and I think we'll have it out. I think it's a 20. If you keep moving up, I can't touch it.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to give you space. You were pushing on it, so I thought,
I didn't ask for space. You just assumed.
I'm sorry.
I have feelings. This is why you smell like dirt and metal, is because I pet you with my gloves on.
The clearance over here is pinky finger clearance on the body.
Counts.
But it's clearance.
Clearance is clearance, you know?
It's got clearance, Clarence.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, perfect.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna look cool.
Oh, that's gonna look cool.
Remember how my mom was complaining that when she drove the car last, that it was making a beeping?
Your mom wasn't complaining. She was mentioning.
She mentioned.
She
right?
mentioned. We love you, Mom.
Yes, for sure, very much. I didn't realize how bad it was until I drove 10 miles, and it consistently, not at stops, just all the time, beep, beep, beep.
You know, I'm sure your mother would love it if you called her and validated her on that. Because this car is super annoying to drive. It doesn't shut up when you drive it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till she sees the video.
Make sure, Mom, make sure you watch this video.
Yes.
You were right.
You were correct.
Rick's mom. Also, I love you, my mom. And Don's mom. Moms are great.
We love moms. What's the what's the blue diddly bob right there?
That's the diddle bobber.
That's definitely going to be in the way of the tire.
How's it on? Okay, I got it.
Okay, so hear me out. You know, like those Amazon like chase bars that you can get that have like blinkers and brake lights and reverse lights?
Oh yeah.
Just bolt one right here and leave the fenders and everything off.
No. We should try and trim the fenders a bit.
I want to trim the fenders too.
Okay, we can do that.
I agree with that.
You guys relax.
Veto!
Veto.
Drop it.
Oh
Wow.
yeah, that's cool.
It's basically Baja. Wow!
I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I. It kind of scared me.
Should we try driving it?
Duh.
Okay.
All right, so I showed up late today. By the time I got here, the boys had completely torn apart this Beetle to put big tires on it, try and give it like a Baja Beetle look, which I think is pretty badass. We're at the stage now where we really want to go drive it. That sounds like fun. So we're gonna clean this crap up. We're gonna go test drive this car and see how great or not great it drives with stacked wheel spacers and used tires. I think it's gonna be cool as hell. Let's go find out.
The noises aren't terrible. Going for third. Oh, we gotta slow down back to second. Oh no, something's wrong with the shifter. I wonder how much tire smoke we got. A lot. We have a lot of tire smoke. Okay, we got it. I'm just kidding.
Well, that was an exciting test drive. The car went down the street, which I was surprised.
It smoked a little.
It did. It was there's a bunch of black tire on your side of the car for some reason.
Yeah, well, Don has a hard time with curbs.
Got over it.
Yeah, you did.
Wait, got over your hard time with curbs or got over the curb?
A little bit of both, but the curb definitely did not win.
Overall, I'm actually excited how the car turned out. It turned out better than I expected for a few hours of work.
Yeah.
Just a quick few hours. We still have quite a bit to do because,
Well, now we got to make it look nice.
yeah.
Yeah, we got some detail work. I think it'd be rad to put the fenders on and do like half cuts on the front, perhaps.
Sure.
Leave it open. Come up with maybe any ideas for like lighting, Don?
Not yet, but coming soon.
Chinese 7-inch, like what we put on the bins. Some big old pod lights.
Are those road legal?
Don't care.
Yeah, that's fair.
A light's a light, right?
A light's a light.
Fitment's a little tight in the back.
Fitment.
So we gotta figure that out.
Yeah.
The car was tire burning out of the back.
Sledgehammer.
It looked like an actual old Volkswagen just smoking down the
It
road.
did. It was very legit. Did you see when we drove past those people and they were staring at us?
Oh, yeah.
There's
I don't know if
getting
it was
out
a
of that.
thumbs up or a thumbs down, but we got to stare, so that's always exciting.
Yeah.
Stairs to stare.
But if you guys have any ideas, make sure to comment.
Subscribe.
Like the video, but like what Rick said, let us know what you think we should do next in this. We're pretty open to ideas because we don't really know what the hell we're doing, but it's fun.
It is.
So if you have a good idea of what we should do to make this thing look cool, let us know. That'd be sick.
Yeah, we've created a rough draft for the community, so any input is appreciated.
Yeah, apparently if you just take the fenders off stuff, bigger tires fit.
Yeah, that's the best part.
And stack wheel spacers, that's an important part.
Stacking wheel spacers is what got us there.
Yes.
Definitely DOT legal.
See you guys next time.
See ya.
Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Ooh, a quarter!
It smells like burnt rubber in here. So much dust in my mouth!
We haven't even off-roaded this car yet. That was not ideal.